I just got 2 sets of Solace Bands in the mail and I'm really excited and looking forward to it. I'm thrilled to see how they work and how they look. Also got my Apple Watch right here to test it on. So I can immediately see that it's adjustable and stretchy, which is a fantastic feature that these Solace Bands have because most bands around Apple Watches don't have that. As you can see, I have a typical band and it doesn't stretch. I'm going to test this one out. So you can adjust the length as shown according to your own wrist size. So this should slip right in. So it comes right on and off more easily than the other band. And you don't even have to, like a typical watch, you have to put this on top and then wrap it around and adjust it. But with this one, you can just pull it on as I just showed you. That's another great feature of these Solace Bands. It looks fantastic. It's very comfortable. Now I'll show you how I usually put on my Apple Watch with the band that is not Solace Bands. So as you can see, it's more difficult to put on. And how I usually put my Apple Watch on with these other bands is I hold it on top like this, put this down, and slip this through the hole. As you can see, it's a very challenging task and takes extra effort. I have to put it against my body to put it through the hole and then push it through these up to the desired length and then put this band, this part of the band underneath, and to take it off, it's a similar process. It's a bit more difficult than the Solace Bands. So let's see how the other one looks now. Oh wow, this one's really cool. So here it comes with the instruction manual in terms of how to remove and install the links. I'll skip that part for now just to show the basic use case of it. So it's definitely a much better design than, the typical band for an Apple Watch. Slides right in. And this is a very stylish band, so they have different types of bands. You can adjust it to the size of your wrist. It works fantastically. This is an excellent product. I highly recommend it. I personally got 2 bands for myself to match with different outfits, and they have many options for you to choose from. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out Solace Bands.